Maintenance on your 2095. After the first 50 operating hours of owning your 2095, you want to make sure to replace the return hydraulic filter, which is located right here. After that, every 250 operating hours, you want to change out your return hydraulic filter and your engine oil on your Honda. If you do have a diesel engine on your 2095, make sure to change out your fuel filters, your oil filters, and your engine oil. After that, every 6 months, you want to change out your high pressure filters, which are located here, and there's one on the other side as well. For your boom sections, your telescopic boom sections are greasable. Factory does recommend greasing these boom sections, but you can also use a dry-based lubricant like liquid graphite on the boom sections, which does keep sawdust down. You will also notice on some of these pins are greasable. You will grease until you start to see a purge. And lastly, your bearing. Your bearing needs to be greased once a month as well, along with the rest of your machine. Want to make sure you hit these 3 times with a grease gun. And then these 2 down here, you will rotate the machine for full rotation while greasing these grease fittings.